In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust kerning in Figma. Kerning is a fundamental aspect of typography that involves precisely adjusting the space between individual letter pairs to create a visually pleasing and harmonious appearance. This is different from tracking, which adjusts the space evenly across a whole word or block of text. While many design tools use the term kerning directly, Figma often groups this granular functionality under letter spacing. Understanding how to manipulate this setting is crucial for professional-looking designs, especially for headlines, logos, brand names, and any large text elements where precise spacing truly makes a difference in readability and overall aesthetic appeal. Poor kerning can make text look amateurish or difficult to read, so mastering this skill will significantly elevate your design work. To begin, the very first thing you need to do on your Figma canvas is select the specific text layer you wish to modify. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box. Once your text layer is selected, its properties will instantly appear in the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma's powerful design and prototyping tools reside. Within this panel, you'll need to locate the text section, which houses all your typography controls. Inside this essential section, you'll find various options such as font family, font weight, font size, line height, and, crucially for our purpose, letter spacing. This is the specific parameter we'll be working with to refine our kerning. Click on the letter spacing option to reveal its controls and prepare for your adjustments. You'll notice it typically displays a percentage value or a pixel value, indicating the current default or manually set spacing. Now that you've successfully accessed the letter spacing control, it's time to make your precise adjustments to the kerning. There are a couple of intuitive ways to achieve this. You can directly input a specific numerical value into the provided field. Positive values will effectively increase the space between letters, pushing them further apart, which can be useful for stylistic effects or improving legibility in certain contexts. Conversely, negative values will decrease the space, bringing the letters closer together, which is often needed to correct awkward gaps in default fonts. Alternatively, and often more intuitively for visual adjustments, you can click and drag horizontally on the letter spacing icon itself or on the value field. Dragging your cursor to the left will reduce the spacing, making the letters closer, while dragging to the right will expand the space. For the most precise fine-tuning, especially for individual letter pairs, which is the true essence of manual kerning, you have even more control. You can highlight specific characters within your selected text box. For instance, imagine you have a word like wave, and you find the space between the W and A appears too wide, or perhaps the V and E are too close. You can simply click and drag your mouse to select just those two particular letters. Then, proceed to adjust the letter spacing using either the direct input or the drag method, just as you did for the entire word. Figma will intelligently apply the spacing change only to your selected characters, allowing for incredibly granular and precise control over the visual harmony of your text.